Tell me, what doubt you have in this question?
Sir, I am not getting this question.
Simple subtraction is there, nothing else. These two are like decimals, as you can see. After the decimal point, only two digits are there. Here also two digits are there, and here also two digits are there. So 26.21 minus 21.62. Okay, just we need to do this subtraction. So now 1 minus 2 we cannot do. So we will borrow. So what will come here? 11. 11 minus 2 is what? 9. Now again 1 minus 6 we cannot do. So we will borrow. So here it will come 5. Here it will come 11. So 11 minus 6 is what? 5. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
4.59. उसमें क्या difficult था?
Sir, actually,
Hmm.
I wrote the question wrong.
Okay. Yes. Any other doubt? Any other? I have doubt in question number 8. Okay, Darshana, what's your doubt? Darshana Khandelwal.
Sir, in question number 8, question C, I did not understand how to solve.
Question number 8, question C.
So the question is in mixed fraction.
Wait a minute. Question number 8. Which one?
C.
Okay, C1.
So the question is in mixed fraction,
It is
and the
displayed.
denominator is same. And denominator is same.
So what's the problem in that?
And sir, if we solve the mixed fraction, so we answer get in improper fraction, and the denominator is same. So how to do LCM then? How we can do then LCM?
When the denominator is same, there is no need to do LCM only, na?
Sir, but sir, the after solving mixed fraction, the answer come in improper fraction. So that's why.
So what happened? It is a like fraction. Like और unlike check करते हैं हम लोग. Denominator same है उनका, like fraction है वो. उसको कुछ convert करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See here, pay attention. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 15 upon 4. Minus 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 5 upon 4. यहाँ पे denominator same है. कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, keep it as it is. So what it will come? 15 minus 5. It will come 10 by 4. Simplify this. What it will come? 5 by 2. And what is 5 by 2? It is 2.5.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So sir, direct we can do that sum.
Direct only we do because the denominator is already same. उसको क्या convert नहीं करने की जरूरत. जब denominator different होता है तो उसको convert करते हैं हम लोग LCM लेके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. So shall we move forward with the next topic? Shall we start the next topic, next question of this exercise? Worded problems करना है हमको. Okay. So next topic. Question number 9 was homework to you. It was quite easy. Addition and subtraction was there only, nothing else. Now next question, worded problems. Okay. See, many hands are up. Okay, Lakshmi Nivas Zawar will try this. Lakshmi Nivas Zawar.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, in this question, Dinesh went to from place A to B. From place A is from there, and from there from place B, there the place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B, and B is 12.
Please, your voice is breaking.
Kilometer
Your voice is
from C.
breaking.
Ayub went to from place A to place D, and from there to place C. D is 920 kilometer from C, and 11 C is
See, your voice was breaking. It was not that clear. Okay, that's why I have muted you. I think so. You have internet connectivity speed issue. That's why the voice was breaking. Okay, anyone else? Palak. Okay, Palak Jain will try this.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, the question is, Dinesh went from place A to place B
Hmm.
and from there to place C.
Hmm.
A is 10.5 kilometer from B
Hmm.
and B is 12.7 kilometer from C.
Hmm.
Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C.
Hmm.
D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C. Is 11.8 kilometer from D.
Hmm.
Who traveled more and by how much?
Okay. So first of all, we will have to construct the figure. So tell me the distance between
Yes,
points A and B. Suppose this is your point A.
sir. Down there is diagram also.
Yeah, there is diagram, but we will draw a rough figure. Na? We will use that diagram also. Don't worry. But for a while, we will draw a rough figure. What is the distance between A and B?
Sir, A and B, that is 7.5 kilometer.
Okay, 7.5 किलोमीटर. उसके बाद क्या बोला है? B और C के बीच में डिस्टेंस गिवन.
12.7 kilometer from C.
तो B is
A
12.7
and B
किलोमीटर.
equals
हाँ,
to
सपोज
12.7 kilometer.
ये C पॉइंट है. दिस इज 12.7 किलोमीटर्स. उसके बाद
Sir, then it shows the A to place D.
A to D. Okay, suppose this is point D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
And place CD is 9.3 kilometer.
A to D. A to D, the distance is not given. A to D place.
A and C is, sir,
Ayub,
here it is.
Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. Okay.
Yes.
So D is 9.3 kilometer from A. So ये 9.3 kilometer है from A and C is 11.8
And
kilometer.
B and C is 11.8.
11.8 kilometer. Okay, so like this the figure will be there. So what they have asked, who traveled more? अभी देखो दो लोग हैं. Two persons are there. First one is what? Dinesh. And second one is what? Ayub.
Ayub.
Second one is what? Ayub. Okay.
Ayub.
तो दिनेश जो है वो A पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करता है, फिर B पे जाता है, देन ही मूव्स टू पॉइंट C. और आयुब क्या करता है? वो A पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करता है, फिर वो D पे जाता है और
A to
फिर वो
B
C पे मूव करता है.
and B
तो
to C.
हमको चेक करना है कि दिनेश ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है या आयुब ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है. सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल हैव टू डू?
Yes, sir.
First we will calculate the distance of Dinesh. Okay, see the actual figure will be like
Yes,
this.
sir.
See the actual figure. Okay, this is the
It
rough
was
figure.
Dinesh and then Ayub.
Okay,
And then we will
this
compare.
this was the rough figure. The actual figure is displayed on the screen now. You can check it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will
Sir, we
calculate
will write
distance traveled by Dinesh. So what it will become? 7.5 प्लस कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है दिनेश? 12.7. Okay. So how much it is coming? 7.5 plus 12.7. How much it comes? 7.5 plus 12.7. Do the addition. Do the addition. Yes, others also. 20.2. Only one answer I got, huh? 20.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 20.2 किलोमीटर. तो इतना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया है दिनेश ने. अब मुझे बोलो
Dinesh.
डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय
Ayub.
Ayub. So what it
Sir,
will?
it will come as 9.3 plus 11.8.
9.3 plus 11.8. So how much it comes?
Sir, the answer comes.
21.1.
Yes, sir. 21.1
ओके, तो
kilometer.
अब बोलो मुझे किसने ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया?
Sir, Dinesh distance is 20.2 kilometer, and Ayub distance is 21.1 kilometer.
So who traveled more?
Sir, the travel.
Who traveled
Sir,
more?
Ayub.
हाँ, इतना इजी था, आपको इतना टाइम लग रहा है. ये दोनों वैल्यूज में बस आपको कंपैरिजन करना है, कौन सा बड़ा है. दिस इज बिगर, सो आयुब ट्रेवल्ड मोर डिस्टेंस. ओके,
Yes, sir.
you have to draw the figure also in the answer, huh? You will draw the figure also. This figure you need to draw it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will write Ayub traveled more distance, and then we will and then we will subtract 21.1 from 20.2. So, sir, the answer will be our answer will be
Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh. That's it. They have not asked us कि कितना ज़्यादा travel किया है. How much? Who traveled
and
more?
how
And
much,
yes, okay, okay. So we will find
sir?
that also,
So,
which
yes,
will be
sir.
equal to
Sir,
21.1
that will be 20.9
my
kilometers.
minus 20.2. How much? How much it will be?
Sir, it will be 9 kilometers.
9 kilometers. ये subtraction 9 kilometers आएगा. Ah, 1 minus 2, is it possible? Not possible. So we will borrow. So 11 minus 2, it will be 9. So this will be 0.9. 0.9 only. 0.9 kilometers. This is the
Okay,
difference, not 9 kilometers.
okay,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Mute yourself. Next question we will do now. Okay, next question. Who will try the next question now? Okay, Kalash. Kalash will try the next question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the question is Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Sir, so we will add the fruits bought by Shyama. 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. Sir, then answer is 8 kg 550 gram. And Sharla bought 8 kg. Sir? Sir, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes, I can hear you clearly.
Sir, then Shama's total weight of fruits she bought is 8 kg and 550 grams.
Okay.
And the Sharla bought is 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 grams. Sir,
So
the answer is 8 kg 950 grams.
okay. So which one is greater than? Who bought
Sir,
more?
Sharla bought more fruits by Shama.
Okay. Is it necessary to convert it into kg everything?
No, sir, we can convert it into gram also.
नो नो नो, वी कन्वर्टेड इनटू केजी। सी हम लोगों ने एक क्वेश्चन भी किया है इससे पहले, जहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
हमने,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वी ऑलवेज,
8.550 kg.
because the standard unit for weight या फिर mass, it is kg, so we convert all the quantities to kg, then only we compare it.
Okay, sir.
And now see, pay attention. See, ये शामा ने क्या परचेस किया है, एप्पल्स और मैंगोस।
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see how many, what is the weight of apples? It is 5 kg 300 grams. And what about mangoes? What is the weight of mangoes? It is
Sir,
3
3
kg
kg 250 gram.
250 grams. Okay, ये शामा ने इतना यानी मार्केट से परचेस किया है, 5 kg 300 grams apples and 3 kg 250 grams mangoes.
Sir, may I
और
mute?
yes, you can mute. Next is Sarla. See, this is Sarla. Sarla has purchased what? Bananas and oranges. So how many bananas Sarla has purchased? It is 4 kg 150 grams. Okay. And what about oranges? What is the weight of oranges? Oranges purchase किया है उसने 4 kg 800 grams. Okay. 4 kg 800 grams. तो श्यामा ने जो जितना टोटल क्वांटिटी परचेस किया है वो निकालने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 5 kg 300 ग्राम और 3 kg 250 ग्राम इनको ऐड कर देंगे। ओके, सो फ्रूट्स, टोटल फ्रूट्स, ओके, टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स, क्वांटिटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स bought by Shama is equal to what it will become, 5 kg 300 grams plus 3 kg 250 ग्राम्स। ओके, तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे केजी और ग्राम दोनों भी गिवन है, सो सी नाउ हाउ वी विल डू द एडिशन। केजी का एडिशन केजी के साथ करो, ग्राम का एडिशन ग्राम के साथ करो। ओके, सो टेल मी 5 plus 3 what it will come, it will come 8, and 300 plus 250 it will come 550 grams. Okay, so 8 kg 550 grams। उसके बाद हम लोग निकालेंगे टोटल क्वांटिटी of fruits bought by Sarla. So how much it will become now for Sarla? What we will have to add, 4 kg 800 grams plus 4 kg 150 grams. सो यहाँ पे भी केजी को केजी के साथ ऐड करना है, ग्राम को ग्राम के साथ ऐड करना है। सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम, 4 plus 4 इट विल बिकम 8 kg, और यहाँ पे 800 plus 150 दिस विल बिकम 950 grams. Now see, 8 kg is similar. Okay, बस डिफरेंस का है ग्राम में, तो ग्राम किसका ज्यादा है, सरला का ज्यादा है। ओके, 950 ग्राम्स है यहाँ पे, तो सरला हैज मोर वेट, यानी उसके फ्रूट्स का वेट ज्यादा है। सो हु बॉट मोर फ्रूट्स, सरला बॉट मोर फ्रूट्स, सरला बॉट मोर फ्रूट्स देन Shama. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? If you don't convert it also, then also you can get the answer. अगर आपको convert करना है तो आप convert भी कर सकते हो. So what it will become, 8.55 kg, and what this will become, 8.95 kg. If you convert also, no problem. If you don't convert it, then also you will get the answer. Okay. So now this one is greater. So Sarla bought more fruits than Shama. Is it clear to you? Convert करने के बाद ये आएगा. And we know how to convert. हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया है शायद से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 या 3 यही एक्सरसाइज का. Please give the response. Is it clear to you? Okay, next one. Last question of this exercise. Last question of this exercise. Okay, Akshara will give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the question is how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometers. So, sir, we will minus 42.6 kilometer
Hmm.
and 28 kilometer.
So किसको किस में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा? 28 में से 42.6 माइनस करना पड़ेगा या 42.6 में से 28 माइनस करना पड़ेगा?
तो 42 minus 6 में से 28 kilometer.
Okay, because they have asked how much less is 28 kilometers. Okay, then 42.6 यानी 42.6 बड़ा है 28 छोटा है तो वो कितना छोटा है वो हमको निकालना है. Okay, so this much part is less. You have the figure on your screen. This is point A, this is point B and this is point C. A से लेके C तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 42.6 किलोमीटर. A से लेके B तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 28 किलोमीटर. तो अगर मुझे B से C का डिस्टेंस निकालना है, so what I will do? From
42.6 kilometer minus 28 kilometer.
From above figure, what we can write? Distance BC will be equal to distance AC minus distance AB. Yes or no? What is distance AC? It is 42.6. And what is distance AB? It is 28. Come on, tell me what will be the answer. Yes, draw the figure also. Tell me the answer. So what it will come? 14.6 kilometers. So we will write the final statement. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? It is less by 14.6 kilometers. Okay. Is it clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? Okay. So now see, today the strength is also less. So we will stop here only. You complete this exercise 2.4. Next topic जो है multiplication of decimals. We will start it from Monday because today the strength is less. So I am not continuing that topic here now. We will do it from Monday. Okay. You just complete this exercise. And on Monday, we will start the new topic, that is multiplication of decimals. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will end the meeting. There is no homework today, beta. There is no homework today. Okay, very good, Srishti. Okay, then we will stop here. We will continue on Monday, the next topic of this exercise. Bye to everyone.